That was amazing. That was amazing. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, flip it. Yeah. Man, oh, in the tree. The tree caught it.
Oh! I'm only a little scared. Oh, my truck. Oh my gosh. That was good. Nate, did you look in the mirror today?
Hey, listen. We're here at the hill with the Arrma Outcast 8S.
Well, we could call it the Outcast.
I like the Outcast. And we're gonna have some fun, but here's a more serious question. Why don't they make jackets for your shorts? You could call them shortkits.
So pants?
No, pants go all the way down. I'm talking like a jacket, this type of material, but for your shorts.
So sweatpants?
No, because they'd be cut off at the knees.
So sweat shorts?
Sweat shorts.
They do.
No.
Yes, they do.
No, they go over your shorts.
Nate, you look a mess today. Not that I look much better
I'm
today.
here with your Outcast, and this thing is an absolute beast of a hill. This isn't like the hill 2.0. This is like the hill 10.0. It is amazing. So
we'll see how this does because it's gonna be a little tail heavy. Ah!
This is gonna throw rocks worse than the Mojave, I think. It's much bigger too, much bigger, but oh, I know I'm gonna have to pass the controls over to you in just a second.
Yeah, you have about 10 seconds left.
This is gonna make it off this hill, no problem. The wheels on it alone are like the size of our CRV wheels.
Oh my gosh.
All we've done with this so far is an unboxing and a speed test. And in case you guys are wondering, if you missed the Mojave video, why we haven't been doing bashing stuff as much on the channel, it's because the hill has not been in our lives.
We found a new one though.
We found a new one. And I say better, at least so far it is.
All right.
Okay, there you go. Bashing Queen.
Not that I look much better than you.
Yeah, you can look better. Okay, here we go. This is an 8S beast. Oh, popping wheelies in the gravel. Nice. There is a stump there. And we still have to clean up some trash here. Unfortunately, this is a... Oh yeah, look at that sticker down there. Oh, you going for it? You are. You're going for it.
I have a few things I want to do.
Oh, you just took out part of that root.
I just wanted to see what it would do on like a steep part.
Yeah. Oh, nice, nice. You did a flip. Yeah, so cool.
I was trying to do.
Get a little higher today in my boots instead of sandals. Oh. Woo! I know a better spot for this.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. No! Whoa! 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 And that's how you break an Outcast. Woo! Let's jump it. Let's jump it. Send it. Send it. Send it. No! In the water? What are you doing? You didn't even hit it.
I couldn't see. You were in my way.
No, it wasn't. That was not. Oh, very nice. That has better air control than the Mojave, obviously. Mojave. Very nice. Oh, gosh. I can't believe it did that when it landed. This is much better off-roading than the Mojave. Oh, trees. There. Nice. Oh, why did you? If you would have just let it not touch the brakes, it would have been okay. Yeah. All right, let's go one more time. You can do better. There you go, better. Yeah. Hey, we've all been there. Okay. Let's see. Can you back? Oh, there's the spot right there. Oh, nope. I think the ground is too loose. Oh, Oh, came down on that front tire hard. Wow. That's a dirt mover. It might as well launch it up this hill. Okay. This thing's a beast. An absolute beast, yeah. Oh! Oh! Wow! If it did, I'm impressed. Do you still have four-wheel drive? Wow! This is more intense than any skate park ever.
Alright. What do I need to do? Just commit to the throttle at the top?
There's no way to land it. It's absolutely vertical. Just
Let's do it again.
Hang on. Oh! That was pretty awesome. Wow, wow. This is crazy. Abby over here. She's like, I got this. Oh man, I don't know how you did it that first time. Okay, I think before you lose your battery, we should do the regular true hill. Let's go. To give you perspective, that's the Outcast down there, that tiny little micro machine. And Abby, look, I just climbed up the ridge that Abby did the other day, and this is insane. It's flat. It's flat up here. This is like the perfect little fun spot on top of a small mountain. What? Wow.
I like the tire tracks.
You can see the tire tracks that we did?
Yeah, that's funny.
Wow. Okay. This is nuts. Whoa. Oh, you dominated that hill with the Outcast. We're kind of starting pretty big here with somebody mows up here, don't they? They'd have to. Here we go. Oh! You like jumped backwards.
I was waiting for a tire to come out.
Yeah. That was amazing.
Like,
that is almost vertical. You could sled here. It would probably kill you. Okay, let's go. What? Oh no. 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 Please don't. No. I'll go get it. I'll go get it. You're not flipping over.
I just wanted to give you guys another perspective of Nate down there at the bottom. Because when we're standing at the bottom, this hill doesn't look that big. But it is like way steeper than our old hill. Like we used to be able to climb our old hill. We cannot climb this one except this one little spot that he's going on. And then there's like a little gravel worn out path that goes all the way around. But yeah, I just thought it's cool to show you guys this perspective. Isn't it pretty out? Springtime.
Well, I'm crazy winded after that. I mean, really. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Man, that's scary. Because you don't want to get too close to this lip.
I'm trying to stay out of your way so you can get a shot.
Yeah.
That is not the best place.
I know, I know. I'll move back. We're good, we're good.
You sure?
Yep. Ooh! Oh! Wow. You just moved.
I just moved dirt.
A big chunk of dirt.
Oh, I got my hair.
We are taking our RCs to the next level here. Now you be careful. I do not want to flip that over again.
Oh, I hit the Mountain Dew bottle. I stopped because I keep veering.
Okay. Oh, you are so lucky. You are so lucky.
You're so lucky.
I guess,
Mr.
yeah.
Boots.
Yeah. That was amazing. That was amazingly perfect.
Over your head.
Wow. Oh, flip it! Yeah.
I stopped when it peaked and then I juiced it more. And
I could tell. I could tell. That was so perfect. Can we call that a 4-story backflip?
I don't know.
At least 3. And don't creep over the edge or you'll flip it, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's this little lip here. Like, that's gonna keep a lot of RCs from ever coming up here. Man, man! Oh, in the tree. The tree caught it. That's a first. That's a first.
You think I can get out?
Oh no! Don't even bother. We'll just pick it out here.
My bad.
Well, that tree just had the most exciting time of its life.
I do like trees.
We love trees. Ah! Oh, you plowed into the GoPro!
I couldn't. I should have watched it.
Oh, you rode a wheelie all the way up, backflipped, and landed into the poor tree again. Come on, Abby. Here.
You have to try this.
Okay.
That literally took 2 of us to get out.
Oh, I'll take that.
Well, I think you won the height on that one.
That's cool.
So Nate is scared of heights, you guys.
I am a little bit.
So he's like, oh, not getting any closer.
That's as close as I want to get.
Oh, right on the right side, though.
Control.
Wow, you are getting air. I'm gonna stand back here. I want to get your landing. This thing is crazy. Look. See these? 1 tire, 2 tires, 3 tires. Yeah, it's crazy. 4 tires though. I'm only a little scared. Oh, my truck. Is it okay? Are you okay, little guy? Did he hurt you? Did the big scary man hurt you?
Down on 1
I
tire.
saw. Oh my gosh. That's good. Wow.
I'll tell you what.
That thing is tough.
That feels like you want adrenaline in your life. You want a natural high, you know. This is what you're missing. Crazy.
That's fun.
We got another hill to go up too. I got those five for me, and it's still, I think, in one piece. So I better pass the controls back up to you because I feel very good.
You're afraid to break it, huh?
Yeah, this is Abby's, and like, you know, it's an expensive truck. We had to save up for this for a long time. Didn't get it when it came out or anything. Oh, GoPro! Oh! Oh! Oh, that little sidewall. So this is what the Mojave like conquered all day long. Time after time after time. Let's do this. I can't believe how cut up I got up here. Wow. Oh, that tree. I missed the landing because
Ouch.
because you were there, but
Oh my gosh, how is it surviving?
this thing's a beast.
I feel like we're literally trying to break it.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
That whole right side just hit.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Okay. Avoid the tree. Ah. I heard you throttling it, trying to get it to come back. Yeah, it landed. You're on its wheels.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. This is an amazing vehicle. She's going one more time. She's going one more time. Massive, super fun. In the tree, you get to get it out of. Oh, well, that's the end of the video. Oh, no. It's down there. Oh my gosh.
Not it.
That's not how it works. So I'm not gonna show them because of YouTube. I just did kind of, but I've got a cut here and bleeding, cut here and bleeding. That means you
There's scratches.
Yeah, there's scratches.
I got cut.
We got cut up.
Don't steal my thunder.
What an amazing place, vehicle, all of the above, and for that I thank God. We had a blast today, and if you like that vehicle, you got to get some of that in your life. We'll have it linked in the description box below. This is what I would call, hopefully, finally, above average bashing. Like, this is not a normal spot, so hopefully you guys appreciate the effort put into it. That was fun. And we have to wrap this up because it's raining now and we got to go recover this down over the hill. There's a bug that landed on the camera. A massive thanks to our Patreon supporters because we couldn't do our channel without you guys. You're the backbone to our channel and you mean the world to us. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're interested, we'll have the speed test of this amazing vehicle popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.